Hi everyone, my name is Anthony Sampson. I'm a solution architect at Wolters and Kluwer. In addition to that, I'm also a practicing enrolled agent. And I have Kim and Reggie from iTaxMobile. For those who don't know, iTaxMobile, that's an Atlanta-based tax preparation firm. And what they do is pretty much they allow customers to submit their documents electronically and not have to do that in-person meeting. And it's a mobile tax preparation business. So Reggie, tell them a little bit about your business and how you got started with iTaxMobile. And I think you mentioned to me before on the beginning, this is your first tax season.
That's correct. So this is our first tax season. We've done taxes separately outside of our business, but we wanted to go ahead and come together. So it's me, Kim, and we have a third partner, Terrence. He wasn't able to make it today, but we all came together and said, because of the pandemic and COVID and everything that's going on in the world today, we said, let's put together a virtual tax company so that we can still help people and kind of appeal to the masses, especially the younger generation, to get them more financially savvy and understanding that they need to do their taxes and what they need to do. So we tried to make it easy for them. So we said, let's do it on a mobile virtual platform. Let's not go to their house or have a brick and mortar, but let's give them the option to go ahead and submit us their documents virtually. And let's go ahead and prepare them virtually. So we came together and we reached out to you guys, and you guys had the perfect product, the TaxWise Mobile, which was perfect for what we need. We wanted to give the customer the opportunity to just go ahead and submit over all their information without a whole bunch of back and forth emails, without phone call, having to go through each thing. We send them out the link, they complete the form, and we start from there. So that's kind of how we started this business.
And I also wanted to add that we all have a background in accounting for at least over 15 years.
I love what you guys are doing. I mean, y'all are creating a product, creating a need, what people need, because people are not able to leave their home, people are quarantining, things of that nature, so much is changing. And no one has time to drive across town to go meet their accountant or their CPA or something like that. They definitely want to be able to have things done on the go because they're so busy taking care of loved ones, homeschooling their kids. I know me, I'm homeschooling my kids, virtual learning. I don't have that much time like I used to be able to go take care of things and run errands. Absolutely. So looking at your site, and one of the things I'm seeing over here is that someone can click right over here, start an estimate. They can go through, start putting in some information and really getting an estimate of what their refund will look like. This is a fantastic tool that you have. And if they got questions about something, they can click right over here. Not only is it going to explain items to them, but it's also going to allow them to click here, chat with a tax professional, or send a question or something like that. So one of the things I want to let folks know is that this is actually the mobile site. This is the mobile site they're referring to. You can see it's in red over here. The colors are red, black, and blue. You can see this person's extremely happy. He probably got the good news on the amount of what his refund is. They can click over here, you can click directly over here to get started and go through that process. But I want to show you what the site actually looks like in the beginning. So when you purchase TaxWise online, we provide you pretty much a site that you have the ability to customize. And I think you told me that one of your colleagues, Terrence, I think you said that he was able to customize this for you folks.
That's correct. Terrence did a phenomenal job. He customized it per our company colors, and it's been working perfect. All of the clients, they really love it.
Fantastic. Now let's talk about your marketing tactics, right? You've got your mobile site, you've got your website, which is fantastic. How are you actually marketing iTaxMobile? Like you said, this is your first year. You've been pretty much started from scratch. How do you actually effectively market this to your customers?
Well, we market heavily on social media. We actually purchase ads through Facebook, so they run daily. We post on Instagram. Reggie works really hard on ads, so he comes up with different ads, different tax tips every week to post on social media. We also have Snapchat. We have TikTok, trying to get everybody to come up with a dance, but no one wants to do it for our TikTok. And we also have promotional items that we send out to our first 20 clients.
All right, so that's amazing. So you've got some products right over there. You've got the iTaxMobile mask, the hand sanitizer, so you're keeping your customers safe, clean during the pandemic and getting their taxes done.
We also have our QR codes on our business cards, so all they have to do is pull up their phone, go to their camera app, and it'll take them directly to our site so they can book an appointment and start their tax interviews. We also do pop-up shops at different locations just to reach out to people, give them our business card, give them, some hand sanitizer, let them know that we're available and ready to do their taxes. We also have these shirts that we like to wear sometimes. It says, "Have you been taxed?"
Have you been taxed? Fantastic. Yes, I have been taxed. Visit us today at iTaxMobile.com. So y'all are doing your pop-up shops, pretty much got your iTaxMobile mask, you got your sanitizer, and on your business card, it has that QR code. So someone can take a picture of that, they can go to the site, and then they're able to go to that mobile site and start entering their information. Now, just by chance, how many customers are actually using the mobile site? Because some folks think, well, should I get it? Should I not? Should I really? What do you think? Is it worth it for a firm to really get the mobile site?
I highly recommend it. Our customer base, about 90 to 95%, goes through that mobile site. We push that. A lot of tax preparation companies have an intake form that they have their customers fill out. Rather than having to do all of that and worry about paper, we do everything completely virtually. We send them that link and they love it. They can do it from their phone, their tablet, if they're at work, from their work computer, fill out everything and upload all their documents there. So it pretty much takes care of about 50% of the work.
So in addition to having your mobile site, there's something, Reggie, that you told me that there's a way that you're communicating with your customers in a very convenient fashion. What exactly is it that you're doing?
That's correct. So we went ahead and partnered up also with TexCellent, which you'll see above. We use TexCellent to communicate with our customers if they're missing something, if they want to communicate with us and ask us questions. If they get the text message in real time, they can respond in real time, and it comes directly to the device that they're using or the device we're using. So that's been amazing. Also, we have the capability within TaxWise to send out emails. So that has been convenient as well, because once I complete someone's taxes, rather than having to more so text them, I may send them an email just to kind of summarize where they're at. So all of these functions inside of TaxWise has been very, very beneficial for us. TaxWise also offers a encrypted secure vault cloud space to store all of the documents for the taxpayer. So that's one of the best features that the tax clients love, because it's a one-stop shop for you to upload everything, your social security card, your actual signed tax records, any W-2s, and it's a great reference to fall back on if you need those documents in the future. Rather than having to have file folders and safes at home and have your actual hard copies possibly exposed to someone to see it, you can just have it all in the cloud space, and if you ever need to go on there and pull any documents off, it'll be there. So that has been a huge selling point for our customers.
And I also want to add that a lot of clients don't feel comfortable with texting their banking information or their social security number. So the bot is very helpful for us, because we let them know, like, hey, this is a secure platform. No one will be able to access besides yourself. So they really enjoy that.
So folks, if you want to learn more about Kim and Reggie and iTaxMobile, we've actually got a landing page set up, engagetax.wolterskluwer.com/taxpayers. I'm going to go back and watch this recording over and over again. Also, too, if you want to learn more about the virtual solutions that we have here at Wolters Kluwer, so that you can be just like them, servicing customers digitally, not having to meet them face to face, but being able to provide that convenience factor and improve customer experience, definitely you can learn more about our TaxWise solutions. Register for a free trial of TaxWise or schedule a consultation with one of our solution consultants. That's exactly what Kim and Reggie did. So I appreciate you, everyone. Have a wonderful day.